Hello traders, the title of the video is 78.6% Fibonacci retracement. Traders, phone a friend, Fibonacci retracement tips and tricks. So you are using Fibonacci retracement, all right. Now you are stuck, all right. You do not know what to do. You have to phone a friend, all right. So you want to make sure that everything is good, that you can go ahead with the trade. This is about phone a friend, a Fibonacci retracement, tips and tricks, and we will keep it very short. All right. So I've been talking about 78.6% Fibonacci retracement. All right, giving tips and tricks that trader can use to improve that specific Fibonacci retracement trading. Today, I want to add one more tips as you phone me, all right, so to speak, all right, you phone a friend. And one thing you need to look for, especially if you are an investor that always buy at the 78% Fibonacci retracement level after a bullish trend, another thing that you can look for apart from the fundamentals, the economy news, and the market environment is to make sure that where, okay, the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level is corresponding to a high, a significant high. So here on this chart, we are looking at Agnico Eagle Mine Ltd. That's a nice name. I need to record more video about this Agnico Eagle Mine Ltd. All right. So because I like eagles, so here we are. So this is a significant high. Now I want you to hold it a second, please. All right. Remember that I said high. I did not say low. Very important point. The 78.6% is bringing the price to a significant high. I didn't say a key level. I didn't say significant low, but a high. Because if a financial instrument pulls back to a significant high, a financial support is a bullish trading setup. All right, very important. So a price may pull back to a prior low, all right, price may pull back to a significant low, a key level. But when the price pulls back to a significant high and find a support, that's very bullish. So that's what we are using here. So this is a kind of market stable data, something that is true in the financial market. If you apply, so you can see that the price start going up. So here you see start going up, boom. You went all the way up here. All right, went up all the way here. So from here you went up all the way here. Now you see as you start pulling back. All right, this is one example. We talked about this also before, the sharp correction and the 78.6% level. So you know that already. All right, we talk about also price structure with a 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. All right, at the Day Pro Trader YouTube channel, a channel that you must subscribe to if you have not yet. Now you do not have to, but if you want to, subscribe please. All right. Here it is. But this time, talking about phone a friend, Fibonacci retracement tips and tricks. One more thing. You want it to pull back to a significant high. You see here, this is significant high. So 1, 2, 3, from a high, pull back. Now it start going now. Now as the 78.6% pull price back down here, all right, corresponding to a prior high. If you're an investor, you want to take that into consideration. Check the fundamentals. Check Google Finance, perform the Google Asset test, check the market environment, check the S&P 500, all right? You are a technical trader, implement a top-down trading method to take it like a pro because the 78.6% is bringing the price to a significant high. You can use that on any time frame, but more powerful on the monthly chart. So as always, when you learn something new for the first time, okay, try it. Use a demo account, all right? Practice until you master it before going live. So you may say to me, George, this is just one example. Okay, I have one more example I want to show you, all right? Another financial instrument. Here it is, same strategy. Here it is, retesting a prior high. I'm talking about this high here. It's a significant high there. So if you consider this, here a trend that has started here, went up all the way here. So from here, you see it went up. Zoom into it a bit more. So it went up, so going up from a high. Okay, now it came down, right? It's high. So in fact, you see forming what we call a flat correction here, all the way here. Bit of change, but the 78% is here. Crashed down to the 78%. So you may say, Joe, why don't you put it here? Let's put it there. And that 78% is a little bit higher above that significant high. This one is a little bit higher above it. That's why I prefer the first one that I've drawn. So I put it here. So I'm thinking like an alien wave trader here. So it went up all the way here. It pulled back before going up here. Some trader will put it here. I will put it here because I understand what's happening here. The correction is a flat correction here. That's why I prefer to put it here instead of here. No more trader will put it here. It's wrong because the trend from here to here. Now, as that trend is correcting, that's the first reaction, second reaction, the third reaction, bringing it to the 78% Fibonacci retracement level of the trending phase from here to here. All right, but that 78% Fibonacci retracement level is also corresponding to a significant high. Very, very important. As an investor, buy and hold, market participant, check the fundamentals, check Google Finance, okay, do your due diligence, all right, check the S&P 500, is it turning from bearish to bullish? Federal Reserve policy, is it favorable to the stock market? If yes, those are the stocks you want to take into consideration, all right? And if you are a technical trader, you want to use a top-down trading method to trade it like a pro. Here it is. So this is about 78.6% Fibonacci traders, all right? Phoning a friend, all right? Phone a friend, a Fibonacci retracement tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions, put in the comment section, and in due course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If you find this video totally useful, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. Alright, if you think that this is another blah 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 ridiculous video, alright, give us the thumbs down, alright, and that will put us under pressure to improve our next recording. But however, if you think that this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. So this will conclude our discussion today about 78.6% Fibonacci retracement traders, phone a friend, Fibonacci retracement tips and tricks. We are talking about price trending first, and then pulling back to the 78% Fibonacci retracement level. That 78% Fibonacci retracement level is corresponding to a significant high, not a low, not another key level. One example for the low, quickly. This one here, okay, the 78%, you see, here it is. Let's see that the 78% level is corresponding to a low in this case. See, this is a significant low in this case. The 75 pulled back after trending phase, pulled back to the significant low. Though it did work here, I want you to understand that what we are sharing in this tutorial is more about significant high. All right, okay. Thank you for watching, and speak to you soon. We are the TSTW24 traders, talking about 78.6% Fibonacci retracement traders. Phone a friend, Fibonacci retracement tips and tricks. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.